My name is Moses Baidhili. Mimi ndiye nasimama kiti ya MP Igembe South, na kwa siku mingi I have been a teacher, a lecturer and an administrator in various capacities in this country. I think my experience that I've gained over time, I'm bringing it to Igembe South, because I've seen the challenges that our people have undergone. I've seen the lack of focus on education. I've seen people give promises that they've not been able to hold. I've seen roads not being tarmacked. I've seen the rate of poverty that people are suffering in my local area. And the reason why I'm going for this position is to bring change to these four main thematic areas. One, education. Second, agriculture. Third, economy, the local economy. And fourth, infrastructure. My main area of focus in terms of education is to ensure that all people who have done well in school, there is no child who failed to go because of lack of money to proceed with the education. Secondly, I want to call upon the Igembe people living abroad within the country and other areas to come back home, build light industries so that we can be able to offer job opportunities to our people. We can be able to offer market of products for things like agricultural products. We can harness and process livestock products that we can be able to sell to the rest of the country and be able to caution our people, especially given this time they have been so much affected by the lack of Miraa market. Thirdly, I want to focus on road infrastructure. You know, there are roads that have been constructed, but still the big gap remain in terms of extending those road infrastructure to reach to the local people. This way, we'll be able to help people harness their potential. They will be able to transport their products to the market centers, and we will be able to alleviate the life standards of people. Thirdly, I want to focus, fourthly, I want to focus on agriculture. Agriculture, as you know, is the key to the national. It contributes significantly to the well-being of the people, but this cannot be achieved if we do not provide the mechanisms, they do not provide the right environment that will be able to help our people. We know it's an devolved function, but collaboratively with county governments, we'll be able to help people produce more. We'll be able to create markets for them. We'll be able to add value to the products that they produce. And through this, we're bringing wealth to the local economy. For example, we don't want our people to be moving to Nairobi. You see, people finish school, and the only thing that we can be able to go to Nairobi is go sell Miraa in Eastleigh. We want to change this trend. Let our people stay at home. Let our people have a decent life, because they can be able to get money that they would otherwise get when they go to urban areas. In fact, we can be able even to attract people to live in our town, Maua. We can be able to attract more investors. We can be able to attract and make our town much better. And these are the areas that I want to see. To my competitors, I've not seen anyone with a clear plan in this. The issue is creating pomp with money. The issue is creating politics of enmity. We want to change this. We want to just them to know that politics is just a competition. It's not an enmity. All those people competing with us, we welcome you. Let's engage in a fair competition that is full of ideas, instead of name calling, instead of focusing on issues that really does not help our people. My people, I don't want to cheat you. We know there are two solutions that are possible in regard to the miraa market that we have. One thing is looking for more markets. The second thing is looking for more markets, because the areas that we've lost, precisely the UK market, Netherlands market, and recently the Somali markets. Let's no one cheat you that the change you'll be able to sell miraa in those markets in the near future. The reason being, you know, the trend is a geopolitical agenda. And as we've been reading recently, there has been a lot of challenges with the conflict between Kenya and Somalia, and it is unlikely that this challenge will be solved in the near future. We welcome the ideas that was given by the Right Honorable Raila Odinga to help the miraa people look for markets in Eritrea, look for markets in Djibouti, look for market in DRC Congo, look for markets in other areas that where we can be able to sell our product. So in the meantime, but we don't have to wait until like people who have no who doesn't have the ability to think. We need to increase our streams of income. We need to develop other areas so that in as much as we are pursuing miraa agenda, still our farmers, they are able to get some income from other sources of income. I specifically, cattle farming, milk industry is an example that we can harness. Secondly, poultry farming is still a huge market in the country. Thirdly, we can be able to produce maize, the traditional maize and beans that we used to do. These are crops that, in as much as they contribute to food security in our area, still they able to create wealth for families. The other issue that I wanted to encourage people from Wegembe, this time round we are doing registration of voters. I encourage you, we know the only weapon that we have towards fighting bad governance will be go and register your votes. Make sure that you are prepared. When that time comes in August, when you go to dip your to place your ballot, make sure you vote me in, because through voting me, you bring the vote, you bringing the change that we all need to see. For the youth, I know that you are the pillar, you are the majority. I encourage you not to be cheated with the politics of money. Let's focus on issues that really contribute to the well-being of your life, both now and in future.